Some people take their dogs for a walk along the beach. These people take their parrots for a flight. We're in Pratamnak. Wonderful watching them out in the skies having fun. Putting a GPS on them, so they must be ready to fly now, the blue ones. What cup? What cup? What cup?
สบายดีไหมคะถามสิสบายดีไหมคะเร็วๆเอาเร็ว
What cup? What
ๆ
cup?
สวัสดีค่ะก่อนสวัสดีค่ะก่อนเร็วเขาสวัสดี
He laughed at you. He laughed.
Just I thought they were remarkably well trained, even with the GPS and all coming back. One's gone. They seem quite relaxed, so we're just waiting to see where he is. They sent all the others up, and as they went up, the other one come back. He was out to sea somewhere. Fun Saturday afternoon is. Okay, keep safe. Done about Thailand.